Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect Stripe to Replit. Just follow these steps so you can set up payments inside your Replit project easily and securely. First, make sure you have active accounts on both Stripe and Replit. In Stripe, click Developers, then click API keys to access your secret and public keys. Next, go to Replit and create a new project, either Node.js or Python, depending on your preferred backend language. Now for step 2, you need to install the Stripe package. For Node.js, open the Replit shell and run the installation command. For Python, use the appropriate install command for pip. This will allow your Replit app to communicate securely with Stripe. Step 3 is initializing Stripe in your code. Set up Stripe using your secret key inside your backend file. You can do this with the proper Stripe initialization code. One example for Node.js and another for Python. Now for step 4, create your payment flow. Decide if you want one-time payments or subscriptions. For example, in Node.js, you can create a checkout session using the provided Stripe snippet. Step 5 is connecting your front end to Stripe. If your Replit app has a front end, use stripe.js or the React Stripe library to handle the payment process. Pass the session ID from your backend so users can securely complete the checkout. Once everything is connected, use Stripe test cards to confirm your setup is working. After testing, switch your Stripe keys to live mode and your Replit app will be ready to accept real payments. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you can easily connect Stripe to Replit anytime.